In this video, we'll be looking at how you can create proxies to edit fast in Premiere. So if you are not aware of proxies, it's a low resolution file of a bigger video file. So you can play easily while editing. So for example, this is a 2K file. So if you look at the properties, you can see that this is around 3 GB and around 2.5K. So it's a very big file, and if I try to play this, you can see that it is playing very slowly and it's stuttering. So in order to make this play faster and quickly to edit, you can create a proxy file. So to create a proxy file, you have to first go to this file here. So let me select this file, then right click, there is this proxy, and click on create proxies. So now this options will be shown. So if this is a QuickTime file, so this is MOV, so you can select this options. So usually go with ProRes, or you can select this H264 and select the different. So because this is MOV, I am selecting QuickTime and roll resolution. So after you have done this, you can set this next to the original media and click on OK. So now what this will do is it will load Adobe Media Encoder, and it will start creating a low resolution file. So what is useful is you can carry on editing while this is doing in the background. So this is doing in the background here. So Premiere is creating this low resolution file, and you can continue on to edit this. This is doing in the background, so it will take some time, and by the time you do that, you can also go to this metadata display and go to search proxy. Make sure this is enabled, and you can click on this and click on OK. So I have already added that. So if you go to the end of this, you can see this proxy and it's shown offline. So once this job is completed, what will happen is this will become online, and you can check that whether the file is online. So to enable and disable proxies, you can go to this button editor. You have to enable this button, toggle proxies. So if you don't see that, you can go to this button editor and you can just drag and drop this on here. And this is a button. If it's enabled, if it's blue in color, it is enabled, and if it is turned off, you're playing the original file. So if you turn this on, you'll be playing the proxy file. So let's just wait till the job is finished. So now Media Encoder has created the proxies. Now you can go and check this, and it's shown as attached. So if you go to your drive, you can see this proxies folder near to the original files, and there is a proxy file here. So it's just 50 MB. And if you go to Premiere and if you play this, you can see that the file is like playing smoothly without any issues. And the quality is even great. You cannot even tell whether this is the original file or not. So it's that much equivalent to the high resolution file. Now if I turn off this, you can see the playback will be slow. So when I turn on the proxies, look how it is playing smoothly. So if you have a project having very big files like red files, Blackmagic or 2K, 4K, whatever size may be, you can try this proxy workflow and edit faster in any computer. So hope you found this helpful. Hit that subscribe button. So until next time.